Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair tight nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then do the exact same process as shown. Now fix your hair very nicely and gently with the help of a rubber band and then accessorize it nicely and it's all done. For next one, make a ponytail and then make the cute little fishtail and then tie it nicely into the bun as shown in the video. Now take the remaining hairs, pull it inside out and then fix it all together with the help of the rubber band and then with the help of the pin and then it's all done. Accessorize it. It's very easy, right? For the next one, tie your hairs nicely and then from this side, pull it inside out very nicely. It will be looking like this. Now divide the hairs and then make the bun out of it. Attach it all together with the help of the bun clip and then it will look like this. It's done. For next one, take the section of your hair and then attach it nicely with the help of a bun clip. It will be looking like this. Keep doing it very nicely and gently. It's done. For next one, take the section of your hair and then make the braids out of it. Now take the remaining hairs, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now fix your hair properly with the help of a rubber band and then start making the braids out of the remaining hairs and then tie it nicely. Now make a bun out of it, attach it properly and then fix it all together as shown in the video and then accessorize it nicely with the help of a bun clip and then it's all done. It's great, right? For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then take the remaining hairs and then take the smaller section out of it, tie it and then pull it inside out. It will be looking like this. Now accessorize it nicely and then it's all done. Thanks for watching.